Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money from Guru.com. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Guru.com is a popular freelancing platform that allows individuals and businesses to connect with freelancers for various projects and tasks. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to make money from Guru.com, including tips and strategies for success. First step is to sign up for a free account on Guru.com. This process is quick and easy, and can be done by visiting the Guru.com website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password, as well as provide some basic information about yourself. Second step is to create a professional profile. To increase your chances of being hired on Guru.com, it's important to have a professional and detailed profile. This includes including a clear and professional profile picture, a comprehensive list of your skills and experience, and any relevant education or certifications. Third step is to bid on projects and tasks. Once you have set up your profile, you can begin browsing available job opportunities and bidding on projects and tasks. To do this, simply search for job categories that match your skills and experience, and submit a bid for any projects that interest you. Fourth step is to communicate with clients effectively. Effective communication with clients is key to success on Guru.com. It's important to respond promptly to any messages or inquiries from clients, and to keep them updated on the progress of their project. Fifth step is to deliver high-quality work. To make a good impression and secure repeat business on Guru.com, it's crucial to deliver high-quality work that meets or exceeds client expectations. This means putting in the necessary time and effort to complete the project to the best of your ability, and being open to revisions and feedback from clients. In addition to these steps, there are a few key strategies you can use to maximize your chances of success on Guru.com. These include specializing in a particular niche or area of expertise, keeping your profile up to date, being flexible and open to new opportunities, and building a strong reputation on the platform. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video on how to make money from Guru.com helpful. Remember, to be successful on Guru.com, it's important to have a professional profile, bid on projects and tasks, communicate effectively with clients, deliver high-quality work, and use the tips and strategies outlined in this video. Don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.